Good morning students, my name is Himani Sharma and I am your English teacher, and today I will read exercises of chapter number 7, phrases. In the sentences given below, underline the noun phrases. आपको देखिए दिए गए वाक्यों में आपको underline करना है noun phrase पर. The teacher, the parents, the teacher wanted to meet the parents, so the teacher and the parents. The clever magician made the mice disappear. The clever magician and the mice. My brother hates picking up his scattered toys. My brother and scattered toys. The dogs have to run in the open ground. The dogs, the open ground. I prefer to keep the windows of the room open. So the windows and the room will underline. And I don't want you to jump over that wall. So that wall. Have you ever tried eating ice cream with coconut paste? Ice cream, coconut paste. He refuses to have his food. Okay. And then here in the sentences given below, underline the adjective phrase. आपको देखिए दिए गए वाक्यों में आपको underline करना है adjective phrase पर. Have you ever seen a horse with white legs? So a horse with white legs. He was wearing a jacket made of wool. I met a man who had a long beard. A cow with spots is gazing in the field. A cow with spots. Okay. He is an orphan without a home. She was a girl of intelligence. The orange is a fruit with a lot of juice. Everyone loved her face, which was always smiling. And then in the sentences given below, underline the adverb phrase. आपको देखिए दिए गए वाक्य में आपको underline करना है adverb phrase पर. He requested in a polite manner. I don't have the book at this moment. And the soldier fought in a brave manner. Miss Disha narrated the story in an interesting manner. They dragged the heavy log with a lot of force. No one knew him in the past. And keep the puppies with great care. The accused stood in a passive manner listening to the judge. In the following sentences given below, underline the phrases and identify them. Adjective, noun और adverb phrase. ठीक है, आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है फ्रेज जो है वो एडजेक्टिव है, नाउन और एडवर्ब है, आपको लिखना है. She lived in the middle of a thick dark forest. Adverb phrases. The fisherman went sailing in a wooden boat. Adverb phrase. The family brought up the puppy with a lot of love and care. Adverb phrase. You may come in with your bag. Noun phrase. I don't remember where I kept the keys. Noun phrase. Okay. And your bag is a noun phrase here. Okay, not with only your bag. And I don't remember where I kept the keys. Noun phrase. I am sorry to hear the terrible incident. Noun phrase. They won the match with great effort. Adverb phrase. The child wanted the big red balloon. No. Adjective phrase. They decorated the stairway in a beautiful manner. Adverb phrase. God loves an honest man. Noun phrase. Okay.